right?
Huh?
This is Spanish.
I think yes. Yeah, it's Spanish. Maybe on hours like. It's oil, so
Yeah.
maybe it's oil.
Yes, you see.
Yeah, I would say that's the oil.
And this can be dirty.
Yeah. I
You wanna
just
check
the
if
whole
it's not
thing.
dirty?
The whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So we just open up everything and then just like swipe it
Yeah.
out from there, and that's it.
Yeah.
So it's not a like a big maintenance, but
Yeah, so we know it's done.
yeah, but we should do that. Will gonna fit over there. I mean, I can do one here, or somebody can do one here. One fits over there.
Does it look bad?
No. Yeah, that's why it's bad to like repair stuff on the top of the trash can, because you cannot use it.
Two tools like this?
No. Up there.
Alguien como yo no iba a enamorarse. Yeah. Lo que ni miro es el hago si no tiraste. Yeah. Niña bonita, ¿qué vas a hacer? Nos vemos ahorita. Llegaste rota y yo te cuide. Hago de todo por esa nalguita. Baby girl, si yo te quiero y tú me quieres, por ti daría la vida. Toma mi mano, dame una noche, ya no te sientas solita.
Quoi?
Baby girl, si yo te quiero, por ti daría la vida. Toma mi mano, solo una noche, ya no te sientas solita.
Genre là, c'est bon. Non? C'est le trophée.
I just realized that Here, there is a lot of motors over here.
You stay for a month, so you can try.
Yeah.
And you learn so much if you do that. So that's a fucking good idea.
Yeah, but I don't know.
You build a...
I should work, maybe, you know.
Oh.
I should just work.
You build a lot of car, and after with the...
Yeah, yeah. That would be nice to learn to like repair a car, because it sounds important.
Yeah, repairing car is fun. But you need to take your own car because it's easier to work on
Which one?
older car.
Ah, yeah, because it's more simple, right?
Yeah. There is less plastics and shit.
I actually like old machinery. It's because they are so simple and so smart
Yeah.
at the same time.
I have an old, cars? I have an old Volvo 740.
Okay.
This is so simple to work on.
Okay.
Everything is accessible and it's so fucking cool. But I mean, it don't break, so
Yeah.
I don't have.
So you don't have it. Let's go get it. Nice. Yeah, that was like not. They didn't open it since a long time. Probably. Good weather.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, this doesn't look that blue as well. This one doesn't look that blue.
Oh.
I'm gonna try this. Huh? Not really.